हेलो एवरीवन। क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया। ओके। सो टेल मी समथिंग। व्हेन यू आस्क chat gpt to write a love letter and booms it write in 2 minutes. When you ask google map how to reach from salkia to havla, it give you the exact route and traffic update. But how does chat gpt know how to write a letter? Or how does Google Map know the traffic? Does it have magical powers? Does it have brain like ours? The simple answer is data. Today we are going to understand two super simple things. What exactly is the data and why AI is hungry for data? चलो शुरू करते हैं। What is data? Data equal to raw facts. Uh, Data sound as big but complicated English word, but it actually is super simple. Data is just an information. That's all. So what can be the information? The score of India-Pakistan match is the data. India scored 350 run. That is the data. Your class timing 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. are data. The price of vada pav outside your school, rupees 15, is the data. Your name, your height, your favorite food, place, all of it is data. So, data can be a number, data can be a string, word, data can be a image, data can be a video. So, basically, anything and everything around us is data. Now, here is the most important thing you need to remember today. Data can be a number like your marks. It can be word like a Bollywood movie name. It can be image like your Instagram selfie. It can be video like your favorite reel or the video which we are currently watching. AI is like a baby and data is its milk. Just like a baby cannot grow without milk, an AI cannot be smart without data. Me give you some simple example. Imagine you want to teach someone how to make a perfect Hyderabadi biryani. How do you do it? You show the recipe, you show them video, you tell them exact ingredient, you tell them what happen if you add too much salt. All this information you gave them. That is data. Now replace the person with AI. If you want AI to make a biryani recipe, you have to feed it thousands of biryani recipe from internet. Only then it can tell you the perfect steps. No data equal to dumb AI. Just like if you don't have book, you will look like a fool before your exam. So think about your board exam. You just don't read the textbook once and go in the exam, right? You solve previous year question paper, you do mock test, you practice example, and that practice is your data. The more practice you solve, the better you perform in the actual exam. AI does the exact same thing. If you want AI to recognize an auto rickshaw in a photo, what you do, you just don't describe it how an auto rickshaw looks. You show it a thousand picture of autos. Yellow auto, green auto, electric auto, auto from Mumbai, auto from Delhi, auto from Kolkata, auto in sun, auto in rain. After seeing the thousands of auto, The AI finally figure out the pattern. Three wheel, yellow green body, loud horn, that's an auto. This is exactly why ChatGPT knows so much. It read a or 8 billion of web pages, books and articles. Next. But wait, there is a catch. It's not about having lots of data. It's about having good data. In the tech world, there is a golden rule. GIGO. Garbage in, garbage out. Imagine you are preparing for your science exam, but instead of reading the NCERT book, you accidentally study a recipe of dosa. You go to the exam, write about how to make a dosa, and you will get a big zero. The data feed your brain was wrong, so the output was wrong. Same with the AI. If you feed AI a biased, incorrect, or incomplete data, it will answer useless and even sometimes dangerous. For example, if you train AI to recognize an Indian faces, but you show only the picture of people from South India, it will get confused when he see a picture from see a picture of person from Punjab. So remember, the more data is good, but the clean and diverse data is best. So let's do a quick recap before you forgot. What is data? It's a raw information, facts, number, photo, video, like cricket score, your class timetable. Why does AI need data? Because data is its food. Without data, AI is like a baby without milk. Data is equal to experience. Just like you solve practice paper, AI learn by looking of thousands of examples. And the fourth and most important point you need to remember, quality matters. If you feed bad data, you get bad answer. Garbage in and garbage out. So next time when you get a perfect answer from GPT, remember it's not magic. It's just a computer has eaten billions of example, made thousands of mistakes and learned from them. You are the teacher. You gave AI the data. You tell what's right and wrong. So in a way, आप ही AI के गुरु हो. So that's all about data today. Thank you.